Greetings of the day, student. I, Asmita Patil, welcome you all to Chapter 1, Planning for Front Office Operations. In this particular chapter, we are going to learn about standard operating procedures, its importance, requirement for standard operating procedures, and benefits of using standard operating procedures. Standard operating procedures. Standard operating procedures are the set of written instructions that document a routine or repetitive activity followed in the hotel. SOP helps in maintaining quality and consistency of service standards in a hotel. SOPs are an integral part of successful quality system. It also provides information to individuals on how to perform a job properly. It facilitates consistency in the quality and integrity of a product. A newly recruited hotel staff should be given training on hotel standard operating procedures. Importance of standard operating procedures. They are the devices by which procedures are standardized and are the basis for ready reference as to how to accomplish specific tasks. The existence of a SOP on a specific given subject tactly prevents deviations from standard activities. SOP are similar in form, are numbered and usually kept in a reference journal or manual. SOP are coded with various departments of the hotel and may be collected into a master SOP notebook available to general manager. Here I have quoted an example of a standard operating procedure. This is the standard operating procedure for welcoming the single lady traveler. So, in this particular format, you can see the process, objectives, responsibilities. And later, the standard operating procedure says that which job you have to do first, followed by the next job procedure. So by glancing through the standard operating procedure, you exactly know how to welcome a single lady traveler in your hotel. So students, you can just go through the standard operating procedure and understand, and based on this standard operating procedure, you can make the standard operating procedure for the rest of the parameters of front office department. Here, I have quoted a standard operating procedure on how to handle the guest luggage. Again, it is divided into the process, objectives, responsibility, and followed by what job has to be done first, followed by the rest of the job activities. Here you can see the pro forma of a standard operating procedure in the format. Now, why it is necessary to have standard operating procedures in your hotel organization? It ensures quality and consistency of a task. It also smoothens the process to perform the task. It provides guidelines for new entrants and existing employees of the organization. It also sets the brand image and ensure continuous business. It helps in improvement of technical skills of the hotel staff. Also, Well-defined SOPs for all departments ensures attainment of organizational objectives. Benefits of using SOP. SOP sets the successful quality system as it provides individual with information to perform a job properly. It facilitates consistency in the quality and integrity of a hotel product. SOP helps in measuring the performance of the employee against the set standards. Enhancement of technical skills of the hotel employee. Carving a niche in market by providing constant quality service. It also boosts the new ways of handling a job against the set SOP. Also, SOP helps in utilization of hotel resources. Thank you so much, students.